Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix unusual activity that's been detected in ChatGPT. So the first thing that we can do is to log out of ChatGPT and sign back in. So you can do this by clicking on your profile right here. You're going to click on the three dots just beside it. And then from here, you're just going to scroll down and then you're going to click on log out. Now, after logging out of ChatGPT, you can now sign back in. Another thing that you can do is to disable any VPNs, proxies, or alternative IPs that you might be using because this error often triggers when OpenAI detects traffic via flagged IPs. Now, another thing that you can do is to clear your browser or cache or cookies if you're using browser, but if you're using the app, you can just head over to just scroll up in your settings, and then from here, you're just going to click on data controls. Now, from the data controls, you can just click on delete chats or archive chats, or you can also just export your data or delete your data. That way, your app will be restarted. Now, another thing is you can reboot your router or switch to a fresh network. You can use your mobile data to roll out a shared or blocked IP. Make sure you're also not exceeding usage limits. So if you're using API or multiple accounts, and that you're complying with the terms of service. If it still persists, just contact OpenAI support or just raise a ticket. And another tip for permanence, just avoid using automation or bots, avoid frequent logins from many different devices or IPs, and then also keep your account secure and only use official channels. And that's it. That is how you can fix unusual activity has been detected in ChatGPT. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.